Welcome to all students. This is my 21st video on my channel. Now we are starting the MS Excel, and once we have starting, I created as a playlist of also options, and once you have subscribed my channel, you can easily download my all videos and you can easily learn how to work on the MS Excel. So before we starting, just go to the window again and R, that is a my style. I never go to the programs and open the Excel. We already are using a we are smarting handling the operating system, so we are interact with the exe file direct. So for open the Excel file, we have again go to the Excel option, go to the with exe, that is excel.exe. Either you have just type the Excel or you have type excel.exe, both are same. But if you type the Excel, you can easily open this. Now what happened is this is actually view of that is your Excel, that is your tab for the home, file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, and then view option. And go to the file option, you have already has a various option like options. Go to the developer option if you want. You go to the customize ribbon, and then there is a developer option. Click on here and then OK. Once you click, the developer tab will be appear on your tabs option. So that is you can deal with maximum option with file option and then options tab. You can interact with the option whatever you have customize your Excel. There's a various options we have providing in developer tools and various options. Okay, so we have starting the our tutorial. First one, this one it is a cell option. If you can say, this is a cell, and this one is a reference. If you can see, that is your reference option. So in reference we can also a reference, or we can say it is a name box. Suppose I just type my name, and that is a now go to the reference. Either you have just provide the b2 option, or now you have provide the my name is option, that is Akhand. So that is also be called as that is a name box or reference box. That is a formula bar where you have can applied any kind of formulas. So once we apply the any formula, we first put the equal option. This will be shows that user want to replace some formula option on this cell. So this is the first step. And again, this is a font style, bold, italic, underline. There's a font size, then there is a border option, because Excel is a totally work on the table type kind of option. And once you have write your option, then you have select your all the data and just provide a table. Once you have selected the table, the print area will be selected on only those areas. And then there is a theme, that is a theme color, then fill color, then a text color, that is a 6 kind of alignment. For the better description, I just go to the one way. Suppose I just increase the width, and we just add a option data. So in Word there is a 3 kind of alignment, that is left, center and right. But in Excel there is a 6 alignment. Suppose I just want that this will be data will be as upper left, so you just click the first option. If you want there's a middle, if you want there's a below, then if you want left is already left, then middle, and that is a right. If you want yes, it will be appear on the middle and also with the height of the middle. Just click in here. So that is a benefit of this alignment. So not much more wasting of time this here. Then there is an indent option we already applied in the Word option. Where is the indent, you can create a space from the left, and same as the right option, where you can create an angle. There is also be a tab, and then you also be the format cell or alignment option, where you can place any alignment as your view. Just suppose you have want that name will be appear. Suppose I just type date and type this cell option is will be not as a vertical option. So go to this option, then go to the format cell alignment, and there is a cell option. You can create this, change the angle as a 90°, and you can see this angle will be changed. Then you can set alignment in the middle. So this is the alignment option where you can change the alignment. Then there is a wrap text option. Suppose here we type my name and then tab. So you can see that this name is be much longer than there is this width. So there is already option is a auto width, so we have just talk later. Otherwise you can use a wrap text option. Once you click on the wrap text, your text will be width is not increased but increase your height, but your area will be auto fit on your cell. So that is the benefit of wrap text option. This will be is very useful once you have a creating an alignment. Suppose you have creating any report and you want to that your report only will be shown on the one page or one only two page, then there is a for the save your space. Actually this is using very much useful option in the wrap text option. Then there is a merge and center option. Actually there is a something difference between a merge and concatenate. Actually in Word you can use a cell and but here you can merge a cell, but it will be only merge a cell and then write anything. Otherwise, suppose I give an example, I just type first cell in my name and second my second name. Once you are using a merge center option, select those cell and then merge, the second name will be disappear and this will be showing something a value, then you okay and second value will be disappear because it is a merge cell, not value. So for the better option, if you want to merge name, there is a function value. If you want to merge the cell, then type your value. Suppose you want again same name, so first merge the cell. Once cell is merged, then type a name. This your name will be merged. So that is a cell option where you first merge the cell and then type a name. Otherwise your second name will be disappear. So that is a merge tab. Then there is a data type tab, which kind of data you want to be to enter. Suppose there is a general tab where we can enter the normal value, then there is a number, currency. Suppose I just type that is a value table, I just enter the price, that is a it is 100 rupees. So this one is not be much more clear to which kind of value. So you have the option is there is a currency option. Once you click on the currency, rupee sign will be appear. Otherwise if sign will be not appear, set the currency tab, then click on here and then there is a symbol option. You can create a various kind of symbols like dollar is appear, and then every nation currency will be appear, and then you will scroll down and there is a rupees sign. You can see that is a rupees sign. You can use any kind of sign, it is not be much more issue. Suppose then chair and chair rupees sign is 200 and again is not appear. Same here as I also add and same is rupees sign is not appear. So again option, either you have apply again formula, then there is a currency type, or there is a format of painter option. We have many times using a format painter. Click on the cell, which cell is settings you already applied, then click on the format painter option and then drag remaining values. This will be already taken as a apply the same value. That is the use of format painter, which is much more advanced. You can use in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, or any kind of office. So that is the main benefit of this. That is a data type. You can enter also with a date option, time option, percentage, fraction, or any kind of value. Then there is a next some tabs which are also very useful. How useful? Suppose I just enter some values. I just think and just I suppose to make a attendance sheet, present, then go to the absent, then present, and then present, then again present. suppose I just make this sheet. Now what we do, just I want to see there is a suppose 100 number of records, and we have to we find that actually attendance sheet is not so much good. Is piece replace with, there is a replace option where is a small piece replaced with capital P, and then there is a replace all option. This will be changed, and the same is small a will be represent as capital A, and then again replace all, and word will be changed. What we have do, we have suppose option will become that highlight the values which contain the absent value. I also given an example. Suppose we have made something attendance sheet option for our students. If suppose this kind of data with a various huge record, you can scroll down, it is huge record. Suppose I just want that highlight the rules, highlight the values which contain the absent values. So how we can apply? Just go to the one original cell, select your values, either shift or drag with mouse, select your all data where you can apply the rule, then go to the condition formatting option, highlight cell rule, and then text that contain, because we have applied the value on the text, not for the any integer value. Integer value means there is a something kind of value 10, 5, 8, 9. It is a counting numbers, that is integer value. But here we have written down the text option, text type is A to Z. So we have applied on the rule on the text option. So we have just go to the text that contain, and here only this write the option is A, and then OK, and you can see that your cell will be colorful. So you can see that your cell will be highlighted. That is a one kind of using that we have using. And then the Excel is so much smart that you can never be messing. So I just give an example. Suppose I make the attendance sheet, and now I just want that count the values. So just put on present, absent, and the last of the value just use the wrap text option where your cell will be arranged. I just want that I just count my values, that is how much day will be present and how much day will be absent. So students, we have applied now the rules option, or you can be now we have using a function option. So I just for your demonstration we have just using the first function. You must write down all the function, because Excel contains a various number of functions which you cannot be imagined. Whatever you have to want to do on Excel is easily possible in Excel. So you must be write all the function in this video, because you are finally use yourself. And if there is any trouble, you have just go to the comment option, insert your queries, then I can be solved in the next video. Or you can use directly in my also my blog. So you both method will be open. You whatever you have just want to interact with me, you will easily contact me. The better option is you subscribe my channel, and then comment a tab, and you can comment your queries, and I will be solved for any time. So we have applied the first rule, that I want to count my all the values, that Khand, Shyam and Ramesh, how many days he or she will be present, or either he will be absent. So for the count, apply the formula. We again put the value just equal. This will be shows that user will be applied the formula. Then there is a formula which is just you type any character, the formula will be appear on this kind of things. Suppose just type the C, and then the C value sorted, then O is sorted, then U, and you can see the first function, that is a COUNTIF. COUNTIF, you just click on this, you can see that is a syntax will be open, that is a range and criteria. So for the range you have applied the range value. Suppose range is from here to here. So So we just apply the range and then comma option, and then there is a criteria is actually your condition. We have count the value present, so we have just go to the because there is a text, so that is a syntax. This text will be given to the double quotes option, and then just go to here, and text will be condition goes to the, that is your character with p. We have just given the range, and comma we have given the condition on which condition this will be count. This condition will be count p option, then enter. Once you have enter, this will be count, that is 7 option. You just count there 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You just not be the apply on the every cell, you just go to the first option, then double click on it, and it will count for the same remaining values. Same as the second option we have already applied, where we can given the drag with all the range. You can also give in the smart way, select your all data, not only all the data, you can select only the first cell and given the name. I just given the name tab. Suppose I just given the only name, then enter. Then what we will do, again equal, then countif. Once you have this, is just third countif, then there is a range. Now we have in first option we given the drag the all the values and given the cell from b4 to that is a h4. Now we have given the name of my array, we just provide a name value. It's also given the name, and then criteria option. Again now we have search criteria absent option, so we have just count the a option and then enter. So you just see there is a neither using. What will be a problem on this case, because you have provided a single name, that is a sys array. So which we have do, they are using the same array for this one, and this will be count only these value, because you cannot provide the all array name as a name, because then value will be counted from b4 to h6. But if you want to really, there's no, I can just drag the name, just given the name is different option, that is a name 1, and then okay, and go to your tab and just provide a name 1, and you can see that name is as a 2, that is he was a 2 absent. So there is a, we have applied the formula and given the range with two way. First we drag the option and b4 to h4, and in second we have provide a name and then apply the formula. Both is the same value. You can apply the only anything. Suppose this will be counted as again wrong, because in this function range is actually name, and what is the name value? Name is actually this area, this range. So we have given a wrong value. Just again go to here this tab and place a name 2. I just place a name, then again go to the formula tab and just provide a name is name 2. You can see that a. Suppose I just change a value, this will be as a 3 option. Look at this. So that's from the first video from Excel. Thank you very much. Thank you. Keep subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much.